Hi guys, so today is a carnival holidays here in Italy. So I have 5 days off. So I'm not be working. So we're here now in the mountain, and it's the house of my in-laws. Let me show you around. I think I had a vlog here already. That's the outside, so we're not going out because it's already locked. And house tour, yeah, to go down. This is the living room, the kitchen, 2 rooms, and then the toilet. So ayan, fit check muna tayo kasi itong fit check natin, aakyat tayo sa bundok. Tiniran ko lang kay Athena ng jacket na to, at tayo ay magbubundok for today. Okay guys, we're on our way to go up in the mountain.
Spiazzi di Gromo.
Spiazze di Gromo.
That's where we're going.
That's where we're going. Yeah, that's the name of the place. So we'll show you later. Now guys, we're on the top. You can see that. More going up. We're here now and we couldn't find a parking place full of people.
Fa passare neanche capito.
Let's see.
Vedete prima di così.
That's why. Buying a ticket now.
Posso vedere un'andata o un ritorno per 2 persone? Io. Vai. Brava. Numero. Seduto bene. E là. A posto.
Come fa? Così? Okay.
Ok.
Ready? Yes. Woo! Scary mo. Woo! I cannot hold it. Why?
That's why I was afraid for you and Athena to go by yourself or without anyone here. So at least I can
Is it
show you
how? It's scary.
scary.
See? Nakakatakot.
Now when we go up, do not worry. You go out your side, I'll go out mine, and no problem. Okay?
Napaura. Video muna tayo.
When I see people skiing, I miss it actually.
Yeah. Eko siya mo pi.
Ole!
It's scary! Woo! Ayoko na, paura.
It's actually cheap, you know. 16 euros total.
Yeah.
In Cagliari would have been 20 euro per person. You know what we also do, Amore? Maybe if we go up, if there is... Are you hungry?
Oh my god, she fell down.
Oh, it's fine.
Naglag siya.
Are you hungry?
Intanto non ancora.
Because the problem is, if you eat early, okay, if you wait a little bit, everybody's gonna stop and then we don't have place to sit anymore and blah blah blah. But we can just get a panino and eat on the snow, which is fine too. There is not much to do up there. Once we are there is a little street to go and it's just the view. These places are done for skiing or walking up for skiing, but
Okay.
I doubt you would get there.
May paura mo rin.
No, Athena alone, no, on these things, no, that's the only thing that I was a little afraid. You see? You just cross and the ski's gonna go. Then, of course, if you have the galley, you have.
Oh, look at this
this.
guy. Wow, look at this little boy. What if I bump to someone? If I will have a baby, how do I bring her to the ski? I don't know how to. Yeah. Akit na kami.
See, we can do just picnic, you know. We get fucking panini, we eat on the snow.
Grabe, ano. Oh my God, ito dito.
Amore. Cadere on the snow, it's part of, you know, something that will happen and will always happen.
Oh my God, my hands are freezing.
Don't you have guanti?
I do have it here.
Dove? Stones?
Yeah. Oh my God. Freezing mo.
1 and 2. Okay.
Okay. Nilalamig na ako. Mag-guwanti tayong dalawa. Oh my God, stop. Ay, wag na
Jovia.
I don't like this Sijubia.
Oh, okay, maybe it's like
It's a bit scary. It's so open. Why we didn't take with the one that is close, more secure? Ha! Wow!
like this. Amore.
Ooh, foo, foo, foo. Adventure.
It's like this.
If it's me and Athena, oh my God. How do we want?
That's why you need to get used to these things, so you know how to do it.
Ang taas niya, oh my God. Nobody go down.
Questa è la nera. This is the black one. Black slope. You see how stiff it is? So
Yes.
not everybody do it. You can choose there. If go down from here,
And
plus, oh my God, glasses. Plus I can see it's a little icy, so.
how about the other one, which is not so steep?
I for sure everybody going there, sorry. Adesso caldo. No. Il sole è caldo comunque, amore.
It's hot. So,
Someone is going down. You can listen. Listen the
yeah.
it's because there is ice. Icy.
Ayan.
That's why not too many people come down.
Very close. So look at this little boy. Bravo. Grande. Oh my God, it's so far. This one.
Fine.
And now we're going down. Oh my.
Fine.
Amore mio, be careful with my camera.
Ah, sorry. I'm trying to protect you not to make you
Sì,
fall.
lo so, si cade.
Brava, stai in su, eh. Non always keep up. Brava.
Oh my God, going down na.
It's fine.
Going down. It's until there.
Huh?
It's until there. It's going there.
Still little
it's
part
another
now.
one.
We are almost there.
I think that's the other part. Oh, yeah, it's another thing.
Oh, this is another one, but we don't. We have tickets just for this one to go up and to come down.
And now we're going down na.
Yeah. That's the refugio where we're gonna eat.
Wale.
That one there.
Hindi kami kakain.
Actually.
Mm.
Alright.
Hey, where do we walk here?
We don't.
Why we
I
don't?
was seeing now that there is not. They didn't.
There's no place to walk here. You did wrong.
Lolo told me there was. That you could go up, but I don't know. Maybe we just stay on the side of the slopes.
There's a guy who will stop this to go down.
Hmm?
Is there's a guy there waiting for us?
No worries, amore.
This Juvia looks old.
Yeah, it is. Very old.
I'm afraid that one of this will fall down.
What do you mean?
Will fall down.
Ah.
Why is she walking? She doesn't have the ski.
I don't know.
Got the leg? She's walking.
She does, but you know.
Isn't it dangerous?
No, I think, I don't know. Okay, we can come down here, that's for sure. So now, amore mio, you do like this. I put this up once we're there. You just go out 1 second, and then once it's passed, you come on my side.
Okay.
Okay? And don't worry, there will be someone there for sure.
It's windy here. Dov'è? Non ce n'è nessuno.
Se facciamo noi, amore mio, don't worry.
Come lo faccio io? Adesso?
Oh, wait, once we're there.
Aspettami.
Don't worry. You go out on the
Aspettami.
side and then
Dov'è?
you wait.
Dov'è?
Go on this side. Wait, yeah?
Dove vado?
One.
Adesso? Aspetta, amore.
Fatemi anche lui ad andare.
Aspetta, ha detto.
Grazie. Vai.
Che cazzo, dov'è? Dove vado? Di qua.
Grazie.
So we're here now at the top. We just had our aperitivo and we're just waiting to have lunch. And this is how it looks like here. We came from there. We used that Sedjuvia funicular. How do you say it in English? Funicular? No, it's not funicular, but because it's not close, so we do it like that. And there's another one over there, and that's it. So yeah, we'll see what we're gonna have for later. Ta-da! So nice. Lo facciamo una foto, video? Vado lì. Ecco, siamo qui.
Valentine's.
Happy Valentine's! Facciamo così. così, like mine. Like mine, devi mettere giù così. Ecco.
Turn it around. Ah.
No! No! Sì! Sì! Olimpiadi!
Le Olimpiadi dei mongoli Olimpiadi, sì.
Olimpiadi! E basta.
Basta?
Sì. Eccomi. Basta. I couldn't get up. Basta. Ciao. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe.